welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shalini. For today's video, I just wanted to do a favorites video. I try to kind of avoid sit-downy videos lately. I feel like they're not as interesting. Comment down below and let me know, do you mind sit-down videos? Do you like videos that are just like favorites and product reviews? I do enjoy doing them. I just feel like I like videos where I'm out and about more. So comment down below and let me know what you enjoy watching more. However, because of the times that we are in, I can't really go anywhere. So I figured might as well make the best of what I have, make some videos in my room. Can't really go anywhere else. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys my favorites during these crazy times. My first favorite that I really want to talk about is the Crest 3D white strips. The ones that I have are in Classic Vivid. There's 10 strips in this pack. I actually have filmed a review video on them, which will be coming up soon because I have not posted it yet. So I did a review video on them, but clearly the results were good. But yeah, spoiler alert, I really like these. So since I've been trying to improve how white my teeth look, this has also helped a lot. So this is the Crest 3D White Luxe toothpaste in Glamorous White. This is what the packaging looks like, and I really recommend this to anybody who wants their teeth to look whiter if you don't have teeth sensitivity. So this did make my teeth a little bit sensitive, but I did see results from it when I started using it. I've been using it for a while though, so it has kind of plateaued out. So my teeth aren't still getting like whiter and whiter and whiter from this product. I feel like they're staying whiter because of it, so I really do like it and I do recommend it. My next favorite product is a Tarte blush, and it's in the shade Magic. That's what the packaging looks like. I'm pretty sure this was my first Tarte blush. So it's a really light, bright pink. I'm wearing it a little bit on my cheeks today. I don't know if you can really tell. Yeah, it just makes me look like kind of glowy and like fresh faced. Next, for skincare, I have two favorite products, both of which are very moisturizing. So the first one is the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. I have talked about this product non-stop on my channel. Basically been a holy grail ever since I discovered it. Still in love with it. Every time that my face starts to break out, just it's having issues, I will switch back to this product. I don't use it 24/7 all the time because it's expensive. I do really like the results that I get from it, so this is a favorite. And then my next favorite is this new Clinique mask that I've been trying out. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, and honestly this just feels like a really thick face cream because when I put it on, it doesn't look like a mask. It's like face cream that absorbs into your skin. Like, so I don't know why it's called a mask, but I don't feel like it's a mask. Anyways, I love this product. It works so good for me. Like, it's phenomenal. I'm really gonna start looking into if I can repurchase this. It just works so good. Like, it's kind of like the First Aid Beauty face cream, but it's like even thicker. My skin is so dry, so it needs that. I want more of it, so totally recommend. So last, for skincare and beauty and all that jazz, I have a lotion that I've been working on, and this is the Mahogany Teakwood lotion from Bath & Body Works. I love the scent of this. I feel like when I wear this, I don't have to wear perfume as well because it's so scented. Mahogany Teakwood is one of my favorite scents. It's Jonah's favorite scent. Like, he literally has sprays and lotions, and his car air fresheners all Mahogany Teakwood. We have Mahogany Teakwood candles. Like, we love Mahogany Teakwood. Such a good smell. So having it in a lotion is super cool. Now I just have some weird favorites because I can't leave my house. Just bear with me. One of my favorites right now is this little plant that I'm growing. So I don't have a green thumb at all, but this green onion was starting to wilt in my fridge. So I put it in a little jar. I've been changing the water out every couple of days, and I've had it near the kitchen windowsill where all the sunlight comes in, and it's been regrowing. Super excited about this. I love trying to take on little planting projects, and even if they just grow for a little while, I'm like, oh, I didn't kill it right away, and I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, this is my little green onion friend. It's been growing really strong and really well. Comment down below, let me know, what are you growing any plants? Have you tried to grow any? Are there any that are easier to grow? That's what I need. But yeah, this just brings me a lot of joy seeing this in my kitchen and being like, oh my god, I grew something. Next favorite, and my last favorite, this cleaner, because of the times that we are in. This cleaner is a brand called Microban. It's a multi-purpose disinfectant. It's just a spray. I feel like I'm a little biased. I feel like this might be my favorite because literally none of the grocery stores or stores that are open anywhere on my side of the city have cleaners anymore. Like, they're all sold out. Lysol is all sold out. Clorox is all sold out. Can't even find it on Amazon. It's ridiculous. I was super excited when I did see this because because it does the same thing, so I'm less worried in my home. I haven't been in my home for very long, so I haven't had time to buy a ton of cleaners, but the cleaners that I did end up buying were all natural products, and they don't necessarily work against like some of the bacteria and the germs and the viruses, but this one does. I actually looked it up on the official Canadian government website to make sure that it does, and this one is on their list of products that work. This is my favorite. It leaves like a tiny bit of a sticky feeling as it's drying down. I'm not sure what that's about, but yeah, other than that, I mean, it does the job, it works, it's available, so yeah. Yay, cleaner! Quick interruption, guys. So as you can tell, this is editing Shalini. My hair is a mess. I apologize. Please don't look at it. I just took a bath. I forgot to include my absolute favorite item, and it's a thing that made me want to film this video. So I'm gonna include it right here. So this is the most handy little thing that I own lately, and it's my favorite item, and it's this very small, cute, it's like a wallet crossbody bag. I'm pretty sure this was like me and my mom's, like we shared it, but literally it's just a little wallet. So it opens up with 2 zippers, holds a lot of cards. However, when I go out now, I only take a couple of essential cards and like my license. So it's really good for that. It's got a long, thin strap that makes it very easy to wear, very lightweight. And what I also love about this bag is that the material is like, I don't know what this material is, but it's just easy to wipe down. When I get home from like a grocery store trip, or if I do have to go out, it's super easy to take everything out of here and wash this thing, because you just submerge it in like soapy water and scrub it and let it air dry. It dries really fast. You can wipe it down with sanitizer. This has been a little trooper, and I love this little wallet bag. It was everything for my favorites. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, join my club, be part of my little family here on Shell Sparkles. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, at the bottom of my video there should be a little bell button you can hit. If you want to click it, then every time I post a video it'll pop up right away and you won't miss any of my videos. You'll be able to see them as soon as they're posted, so you can do that if you'd like as well. Oh yeah, like my video. If you like my video, just give it a thumbs up. There's a thumbs up button down below as well. That helps my videos out a lot, lets me know that you do like my videos, that you enjoy watching them. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!